AI is getting smarter every single day, but the big question is, will it replace us humans? Today we are going to find out what AI can do, what it can't do, and what it means for our future. Tasks that humans took hours to do, but the AI can do in seconds. It helps doctors to check X-rays and helps students on their homework and even recommends Netflix movies. Every time you use the computer or mobile, AI is silently helping you without you even noticing. But here is the scary part. AI is not just helping us, but it also learning from us. Every interactions make AI smarter and smarter. Some experts warn that AI could outstand human one day. Imagine factories fully run by robots, offices where AI does all the work, even armies using AI machines. And if AI gets too powerful, will it still serve us, or they will make their own decisions? Some jobs are already at risk. Deliveries, cashiers, customer service, even some writers and artists. But AI also creates new opportunities. People who know how to train AI, design robots, or use AI tools will be in high demand. Let's just get honest. AI can't feel emotions, or it can't generate new ideas on its own. AI can learn, AI can copy, but it doesn't know kindness or true creativity. Humans bring imagination, empathy, and emotion. That's why even in the age of AI, humans are still needed. So, will AI replace humans? The true answer is yes and no. Yes, some jobs will disappear, but no, AI can't fully replace humans. The future is not AI versus humans. The future is AI works with humans. If we learn AI, use AI, grow with AI, it can make us stronger, faster, and more creative than even before. So, don't fear AI, learn it, use it. Because in future, the people who knows how to work with AI will be leading the world. Thank you.